For crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at BTC, Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin was able to break out above the resistance, this triangular pattern resistance right here. As you can see, it broke out within. It was a bullish breakout too, so which is good. Yes, which is good. Now the question is, did we test this resistance, which happens to be 98,300? No, we didn't retest that because there's every chance of us not retesting it, because sometimes people, the whales in the market already know where people are expecting a price target, or the next price target to be up, next take profit to be for most traders. So they might not want they mostly would don't want it to hit that target before it reverses. Sorry about my voice. So now the question is, what is next for Bitcoin right now? Since we didn't hit this target, what is next? So I would say, obviously, what is next for us right now is this move right here. Yes, this move right here is what is obviously next for us. We have to, as before we go this high, we definitely have to retest. Yes, so we need to get that retest here from the 4 hours time frame. So if I should take this away right now, all we need right now, since we happen to get this breakout, we have to come all the way down to $95,000. So we need to make sure that Bitcoin is holding within this range of $95,000 to $94,000 before we break out. Probably this weekend, we definitely expect, we should be expecting Bitcoin to hold this range with between 95 to 94,000 during the weekend before Monday. If we are able to break out here by Monday, then we can get the retest from the 98,300. Then we can rally to our next price target, which is between 102 to 102,000 to 102,400 range. So this is first scenario that first technical analysis that might probably play out. Worst case scenario left to me is we ignore this triangle right here and just expect that from the daily perspective. If we should zoom out right here, we can see that after we broke out of this resistance, which was 91,700, we rallied this high, so it's expected of us to drop down to $91,000 before probably going upwards. Now the question is, are we definitely going to use 91,700 as our support, or we're going to drop all the way down to $87,000? That I don't know, but I definitely know that within we should definitely look out for this particular range, 91,700 to this range right here. So it all depends. And also, just in case you don't know, we should also not ignore S&P 500. The S&P 500 is doing well, in the sense that if you look at it, I think I haven't shown you this S&P 500 chart for a while. You could see that we've been getting this movement right here, touches, you could see. And after we even went this high, we came down and we touched this particular level. So there's every possibility that we're definitely going as high as 6,493. We might go this high or 6,400 range before coming here to retest them, then maybe rallying back, rallying much higher. Yes, and next week there's also a probability that we might get a pump in the market, because as you can see, gold is at a very, very critical resistance right here, and for 2 weeks it has been bearish because it has not been able to get the momentum of volume to break above that resistance, which is the 3,300 resistance. So there is every chance for us to see gold dropping this low. Yes, that's every chance we might see gold dropping all the way from 3,300 all the way down to 2,400. And when this happens, you definitely know what that means for Bitcoin. That what that means for crypto in the month of May would definitely would the market is going to be very, very bullish this month, so you guys should be ready. But in the short term for Bitcoin, we should definitely be expecting a pullback. Yes, we should definitely expect a pullback from Bitcoin with all this rally. So yeah, that's just all I have to say. We either get this move or we're getting this move right here. So that's just all I have to say, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you'll be coming across my videos, please do as much as you can to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friend. Thank you guys for watching. And if you trade, that links are down below. Buy btk.io and Weex. Use the links below, sign up and trade. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.